We have another example, and someone is going to say, oh, this is just the parallel circuit. This is basically what my students used to say. They say, Miro, this is just parallel circuit. I said, no, this is the series parallel circuit. Let's check what's going on over here. We have resistor R1. Okay, resistor R1 is not connected directly to the ground at the bottom, right? So we can draw this resistor like this. This is my R1. Okay, and this is my R2. This is my R3, and my R4 is over here, and it's also connected to the ground. So now you can see that these three resistors are in parallel and they are in series with this resistor. Okay, so what I'm going to do first, I'm going to find the total resistance for these three resistors. So I have R2, 3, 4. Okay, and because they are in parallel and their resistances are identical, I'm going to simply use the formula R over N. R is equal 3 kilo ohms over 3, which is equal 1 kilo ohm. Now I can redraw the circuit. And I'm going to have simply R1, and this is my R2, 3, 4. Okay, so total resistance R total is equal R1 plus R2, 3, 4. So R1 is equal 3 kilo ohms plus R2, 3, 4 is equal 1 kilo ohm. This is equal 4 kilo ohms. Okay, so this is my total resistance. If you want to redraw the circuit and find the equivalent circuit, you can simply draw one resistor. R total is equal 4 kilo ohms, and you can of course add over here ohm meter if you want. Okay, and this is the solution to my problem.